The meaning of cause and effect is relationship between event or things, where one is the result of the others. They are combination of action and reaction. When we talk about an effect resulting from a certain cause, conjunction of cause and effect are the most basic and commonly used conjunction for expressing causal relation. They are typically followed by a clause and they explain the reason for something happening.
The next is as. Function similar to signs as is also used to indicate a cause, but it is more common in formal or written context. Di cause and effect conjunction, kata as lebih sering dipakai untuk menunjukkan sebab atau alasan dari sesuatu fungsinya hampir sama seperti because atau since, tapi as biasanya digunakan untuk lebih ke formal atau lembut. Pattern atau rumusnya as plus cause plus effect or effect plus as plus cause. The example sentences: 1. As he was tired, he went to bed early. The cause, he was tired, karena dia lelah. The effect, he went to bed early. Jadi karena dia lelah, dia ingin tidur. The example 2. They left the meeting as they had another appointment, yang artinya mereka meninggalkan pertemuan itu karena mereka mempunyai janji lain. The cause-nya itu they left the meeting, efeknya itu as they had another appointment.
Hello everyone, I'm Rusdana Sinambela. I want to tell about sense. What the function of sense? The function of sense is indicates the cause of an effect, unlike so which highlight the effect. Sense emphasizes the reason. Sense can be used at the beginning or the middle of a sentence. Pattern: sense plus cause plus effect. Jadi fungsi dari sense ini untuk menunjukkan penyebab dari suatu akibat, tidak seperti so yang menyorot akibat. Sense menekankan alasan. Sense ini dapat digunakan pada awal kalimat atau di tengah kalimat. So example sentence: First, since it was raining, we stay at home. The cause: it was raining. The effect: we stay home. Secondly, she couldn't come since she was sick. The cause: she was sick. The effect: she couldn't come. Jadi contoh yang pertama itu karena hujan kami tinggal di rumah. Jadi penyebabnya itu hujan, akibatnya itu kami tinggal di rumah. Jadi contoh yang kedua itu dia tidak bisa datang karena dia sakit. Penyebabnya itu dia sakit, akibatnya itu dia tidak bisa datang. Sekian dari video saya. Thanks for watching.
The function is indicates the effect of a cause. Sentence structure: so usually placed in the middle of the sentence to connect two clause. Pattern: cause plus so plus effect. Fungsinya adalah menunjukkan akibat dari suatu sebab. Dalam struktur kalimat, so biasanya diletakkan di tengah kalimat untuk menghubungkan dua klausa. Polanya sebab tambah so tambah akibat.
Example sentence 1. It was very hot, so we turned on the air conditioner. The cause: it was hot. The effect: we turned on the 2. She didn't study well, so she failed the exam.